Once upon a time, in a small village nestled deep in the woods, lived a young girl named Leela. Leela was known for her kind heart and her love for all animals in the village. She would often be found playing with the village dogs and feeding the birds. One day, while wandering through the forest, Leela stumbled upon an old abandoned hut. As she stepped inside, she felt a strange energy surround her. Suddenly, everything went dark. When Leela opened her eyes, she found herself transformed into a beautiful grey wolf. At first, she was frightened and confused, not knowing what had happened to her. But as she explored her new form, she began to realize that she was still herself on the inside, with all of her memories and emotions intact. Despite her initial fear, Leela soon embraced her new form and set out to explore the world as a wolf. She discovered that she had heightened senses and could run faster than ever before. She also found that her connection with nature had deepened, allowing her to communicate with the other animals in the forest. But Leela's transformation did not go unnoticed by the people of the village. They grew fearful of the wolf girl, and began to hunt her down. Leela, now more isolated than ever before, realized that she needed to find a way to reverse the magic and return to her human form. With the help of a wise old owl, Leela learned that the magic that had turned her into a wolf was actually a curse placed on her by a jealous sorceress who lived in the same forest. Together, Leela and the owl set out to confront the sorceress and break the curse. After a fierce battle, Leela emerged victorious and the curse was lifted. She returned to her human form, but with a newfound appreciation for the beauty and power of nature. And though she was no longer a wolf, Leela remained connected to the animals and nature around her, continuing to protect and care for them for the rest of her days.